Alexa, room on. Welcome to a new era of living. Intelligence makes elegance. Your home adapts to your lifestyle. Imagine controlling your entire home with just a touch. In the video, you see our aesthetic design touch switches. Tap to switch effortlessly, or better yet, just speak your command.
Alexa, curtain close.
Okay. With voice-activated control, your voice truly becomes your command. Whether at home, on the go, or through the app, you control everything with just a finger tap. Manage your home appliances from anywhere, from motorized curtains and smart lighting solutions to video door phones and secure digital door locks.
And that's not all. Function India also offers smart solutions like motion sensors, gas detectors, gate automation, wireless water level controllers, CCTV cameras, and many more home automation services.
Transforming your house into a smart, comfortable, and secure space. We 5-year on-site warranty, 150 plus projects completed, 10,000 plus devices installed, 300 plus range of products. Join the smart living revolution with Function India. Experience the ultimate in home automation, making your life simpler, smarter, and more secure.